Okay, so finally I got the MIUI 12.5 update in my Poco X2. So in this video I'm going to talk about all the new features and also how you can install the MIUI 12.5 update if you have not received the OTA update yet. Also, this new update has caused so many Poco users a dead camera. So let's update the device and let's see if the camera survives. Okay, so it took around 20 minutes to update, and as you guys can see, we have successfully installed the new MIUI 12.5 update. So now I'm going to use it for around 2 days to check the improvements and the new features and if there is any bug. Okay, so I have been using this new update for around 2 days. Yeah, feels like MKBHD, whatever. So now let's see what are the new features. So here is the change log, and you can see there is some changes in notes system, and it comes with the new security patch of June 2021. Now let's talk about my experience. So first of all, my camera has survived and everything has animation now. Yes, literally everything, but it's more smooth and refined. I have not faced any bugs at all, but the only thing I dislike about this new update is we used to swipe down on the right side for the control panel and in the left side for the notification center. But after this update, wherever you swipe down, it's the notification center. But from the notification center, if you swipe left, now you have the control panel, which is a really bad experience. Like, that extra step is so useless. Oh, and we have a new volume bar, like it's kind of redesigned, and you have some animations as well. Also, when we are talking about sounds, we have new screen lock and unlock sound. Also, the charging sound has changed. And another thing is the sound assistant, which lets you control sound of every app individually. That's kind of cool, right? Samsung has this feature like for about 4 years or more. So, man. Okay, another new feature is if you take a screenshot, now open it and you have a new feature here to add the device frame, and this looks kind of cool. And then we have few small changes, like in the control panel, if you swipe up, the brightness bar kind of sticks to the bottom and everything feels animated now. And also the battery backup time has increased, so that's a really good improvement. Poco X2 has a great user experience from the beginning, and this update has made everything more smooth and refined. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you are new here, make sure to like, subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.